Well, we're back with the shower. As you can see, there's a little bit of kitty fur there, and we will be showing you that video shortly, because what we've been trying to do is unhook the drain. The drains weren't lining up, so therefore it was leaking, and we're going to show you the reason. There's cat fur right there. Just this.
Smoke, what the fuck?
Huh?
Smoke! The fuck? What the fuck?
You gotta seal that hole there. That's where they're coming in. That's where the...
I've put the plate and everything back up already.
No, there's where the stuff is dropped down.
Alright, I've got a hold of it again.
Oh, you're dealing with one cat, I'm dealing with the other cat. So now that you've seen the surprise, got to do a couple of things. Underneath the trailer is a hole that needs to be patched. That'll prevent the kitty from getting back in here. And then what we will be doing is actually having to slide the shower out. We're going to disconnect all of the P-trap. We have a new pipe that we're going to be putting in to straight pipe it over, and then I'll have to figure out how to kind of fill in this hole just a little bit. So redesigning the plumbing.